Hi besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to create the viral trending baby dancing AI videos. Yes, these videos, as you can see showing on your screen, have been trending all over social media and people are actually making a whole lot of money through this video. And in this tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you the easiest way you can create these videos. And you know the amazing part of this, you can actually create this video with any popular person you know. You could create it with your president, your vice president, or a popular person you know, basically doing what you want, such as dancing to trendy TikTok sounds and all that. So that is the aim of this video. So guys, don't forget to like, share, drop a comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, let's stop wasting too much time. Let's dive right into the video. So guys, the first thing we have to do is to go over to our TikTok. Once we open our TikTok app, we go over to the search button and search for AI baby dance, because we need a photo of our AI baby. So we go over and search for AI baby dance, and once we search for, we're going to see multiple videos of AI babies, and then we're going to tap on one and we're going to take a screenshot of it, as we need a picture of the baby dancing. Now once I take a screenshot of the baby dancing, all I need to do is to go over to my photos or my gallery and crop the photo, because I just need to get the size, the actual size, every detail I need about the AI baby. So with that done, we've gotten the image of our AI baby. The next thing we're going to do is to head over to our Chatgpt app. I'm going to be using my Google Chrome browser to access the Chatgpt app. I have a tutorial on how you can do this as well. So now once I've accessed my Chatgpt, I'm going to tap on this plus icon down below and I'm going to tap on add photos. Now once I tap on add photos, normally I'm supposed to see my screenshotted photo here, but I can't find this. I'm going to tap on browse and then I'm going to go over to my gallery and then I'm going to see my screenshotted AI baby. Now I'm going to tap on it and I'm just going to wait for it to load, as you can see showing on the screen. Now I am going to ask my Chatgpt to give me 3 or 4 different prompts. You can ask it to give you as many number of prompts you want, but indicate different. I'm going to input this prompt in the description box down below. So I'm going to ask Chatgpt to generate me 4 different prompts to create this kind of image with different African outfits, but it should make the character same. Jiggets. I'm still going to input this prompt in my description box down below. Okay, now Chatgpt has generated me 4 different prompts. Prompt 1 says Ankara princess style. Prompt 2 says Yoruba Ashoke royal look. Prompt 3 says Igbo traditional dance outfit. Prompt 4 says North African / Afrofusion style. But the Igbo traditional dance outfit took my fancy, so I'm going to make use of that. So what I'm going to do is to copy this text and edit some things. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this text. So I've copied the text and then I'm just going to come down again and then I'm going to impute into Chatgpt. I'm going to write create me an image into this blank space. I'm going to impute create me an image and then I'm going to paste my copied text. Do you copy? I'm going to impute create me an image and then I'm going to paste my copied text, as you can see showing on your screen. Then I want to edit some things. You can also do the same for yourself if you want, but then I'm going to add my image size. Okay, and for the image size we're going to be using 9:16. I edited my image size and I've written it as 9:16. I'm going to come over and I'm going to edit something. It says create me an image, a Q3D African toddler girl, identical character design maintained. Because the picture is no longer there, I'm going to take out the identical character design maintained. I'm going to take it out. Then it says warm dark brown skin, big expressive eyes, round baby cheeks, glossy lips, her hair styled in small braided puffs. Let's say I don't want her hair styled in small braided puffs. I'm going to edit that and put her hair styled in afro. Okay, her hair styled in afro, decorated with red and white bead, Pixar quality, 3D style. Well, this is the prompt I just edited. I took out that I just edited it. I took out the image character remaining the same because the photo I'm using as reference is no longer thing. So I'm just going to go ahead and ask Chatgpt to generate the image for me. And as you can see, it is generating the image. To give it a little time though. So now it has finally generated the image, and as you can see, this is looking so beautiful. This image is looking so beautiful and it fits our description. As you can see, our AI baby has her hair packed in afro and decorated with red and white beads. So I'm just going to go ahead and download this image. After that is done, the next thing we need to do is to go over to TikTok and search for the sound or the TikTok sound we want our AI baby to dance to. So now I went over to TikTok and I searched for Lovey, who is a TikTok creator. She's a dancer. So I searched for her and then I went over to her page to wait for this to load. Finally, I went over to her page and then I found this first video, but this was actually an old song. And I wanted my AI baby to dance to a recent song. So I had to go to her page and then I found this video where she's putting on a white top and a red pants. Now, notice something about this video. This is a video where the camera is fixated on her body. This video gives every detail on how I would want AI baby to move. Note that. So what I'm going to do is to go ahead and download the video. Now, once you download the video, what you need to do is to go over to your gallery and edit the video, crop it and take out the excesses. It is advisable not to make the video too long. Also, you have to mute the video, okay? You have to mute the video. And the next thing to do is to go over to our AI tool, Kling AI. Once you go over to Kling AI, you swipe left and you're going to see motion video. Now, once you tap on motion video, you tap on add character image. Once you tap there, all you need to do is to upload your AI baby. After that, you just wait for it to load. Once that's done, you tap on your add motion video. Now, on this add motion video icon, the video you're going to be adding is the video you downloaded from TikTok, which you want your AI baby to replicate its motions. Now, this area where we have prompt, we're going to input a prompt which says the character in the uploaded image should replicate the exact motions, expressions, and steps shown in the reference video. That is the prompt you're going to input in this space, and you are not going to change this prompt because this is the prompt you're going to use whenever you get to this stage of this video. Let's come back when I've inputted this prompt. So I've inputted the prompt, guys. Like I said, this is the prompt you're going to be using. Then the next thing you need to do is to tap on this green icon where we have 36 credits. Now, once you tap on that 36 credits, those credits are what you're going to use to generate your AI baby dance. So now, once you tap on it, they're going to give you an estimated time for your video to download. Now, mine says estimated wait time is 3 minutes, so I'm just going to have a bit of patience for it to download. And it has finally downloaded, guys. Look at this. Our AI baby is giving us the exact steps. Look at the importance of this prompt. It is literally giving us the exact facial expressions, the movement and everything. That's why we needed that prompt. So we go ahead and download this video. Check this out, guys. This is the easiest way you can generate this AI baby dance video. Now, once this has finally downloaded and been saved to your phone, the next thing you need to do is to go back to TikTok and tap on this black icon down below to use the sound. Now, once you tap on that, you'll be directed to this page where you have to use the sound. Then you come over to where you have your gallery, your pictures down below, and then you import your video and then you see your video gives you the sound. Aside the sound, it gives you the exact body movements, the emotions, and voila, you've created your own dancing baby AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, guys, kindly like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to leave a comment.